this chicken is kind of like lemon, lime and bitters and sweet chili sauce had a love child. That chicken, the sauce, oh my goodness, it's like kind of sweet, kind of tangy, so aromatic. This is my Thai lemon, lime and bitters chicken. Let's make the marinade, all right? Now I'm gonna go in here with some marinade lime leaves, and these guys have so much beautiful, like lemon citrus kind of flavor, and that's what we're doing here. We're punching up all these flavors with some big aromatics. I've got my marinade lime leaves. I'm gonna go in now with some more lime. So I want the lime peel, and then also lime juice. I want some lemon juice here as well. All right, so I need some chilies in here as well. Now I'm going in here with some pretty spicy, like bird's eye chilies, but you could tone it down with like a milder chili if you like. Really, all the flavor is gonna come from the Angostura bitters, so if you wanna even leave the chili out, you could. Okay, so garlic, some coriander roots, and that root part has really a lot of flavor. So when you've got your bunch of coriander, you know, save up the roots for something like this marinade. Ginger. I need some shallots, some brown sugar, and now I'm gonna go in with my Angostura bitters. So I think this is really cool. A lot of people have a bottle of bitters sitting in their liquor cabinet, probably for, you know, a little while, and you've forgotten about it, but pull it out, use it in the kitchen. This stuff has so much flavor, and it adds like a whole bunch of really beautiful spiced flavors, particularly in a marinade like this. It's really cool. Please give it a try. I love it. I'm a convert. Okay, and look at that color. Lovely and red and yum. Okay, now, also need some fish sauce, some sweet dark soy sauce. You could also use ketchup mayonnaise. That is a type of sweet dark soy sauce, and some salt. Okay, let's blend this up. I didn't say anything important, it's fine. Lemon, lime and bitters is so iconic. It's probably like every pub in Australia, right, is serving lemon, lime bitters.
Totally, yeah. It's definitely bragging rights for sure.
Totally,
yeah.
And it was an Australian invention with Angostura. Like, I didn't even know that it was invented in Australia, so I'm pretty chuffed about that. Okay, so this is what you'll be looking at here. Marinade looks amazing. Look at that color, so cool. All right, I'm gonna put my chicken in here. Now you want to let your chicken marinate overnight or at least a few hours. All right, so I had some chicken that I made yesterday. So these guys are beautifully marinated. Now it's simply about just popping your chicken out onto a tray. Now I just need to pop the chicken into the oven, 190 Celsius for 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and do a bit of drizzling. So to make the drizzle sauce, what I need to do is grab my marinade that's left over here, pop it into a saucepan, add some sugar, and then this is basically gonna turn into like a lemon lime bitters sticky kind of drizzle sauce. Just let it simmer away for about 5 minutes. So things are currently smelling very good here, guys. I'm gonna take a look at this chicken now. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. What I wanna do now is just kind of give it some extra oomph. So I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of that sauce that I simmered over the top. And then just pop that in for another 5-10 minutes or until it's kind of like all sticky and kind of charred at the edges. Okay, so this is the magic that's happened in the oven. Look at that. I mean, oh, I love good chicken. This is just, I'm so happy, delighted, all the things. It's just sticky and yum and, okay. So here's how I would serve this. I have some beautiful crisp leaves, some sticky rice, because being Thai, sticky rice and chicken go hand in hand, but you could do steamed rice as well. And then another little drizzle with that sauce. So there you go, Thai lemon lime bitters chicken, a classic Australian drink made into a classic roast chicken. So good. I'm gonna try a piece of this chicken. Chicken is so good. Like, I can't, like, just that one additional ingredient, the Angostura bitters, and there's just so much flavor here. The fragrance, the taste like so spiced and amazing. Ah, I love it. Love, love, love. So good. Hey guys, if you want to know whenever I'm releasing something new and delicious, then you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that I can let you know every time something new is coming out. Thanks, see you.